Lansky leads me up to the top of the hill, where he's already begun an unusual excavation. With the state's permission, he's bored 5 holes into the hillside with a well-drilling rig. Now, using a state-of-the-art snake camera, we're going to get our first look at the inside of the hill, and possibly the tomb of Attila the Hun. Okay, sending it down.
Because
oh,
What was that?
you see that? It widens out, yeah? The further down we send the camera, the wider the passages become. Keeps going. Actually, it is getting bigger.
It's getting really big.
Until something catches my eye that makes me look twice. Hold on. What's that? Look there.
That's the chamber.
That actually looks like it opens up into a room. Then what? Finding a chamber suggests that we might be looking in the right place, but we've got a few more feet of line to go.